Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by making sure your iPhone 15 is updated and unlocked. This prevents settings differences. Next, open Settings and tap Bluetooth so you can see paired and nearby devices. You want the device visible and connected or listed. This ensures the name field appears. Once done, tap the info icon next to the device you want to rename. That brings up details including the current name. This is the first actionable step because it exposes the editable name field immediately. Now you edit the name. Tap the name or device name line to open the keyboard. You should enter a short, unique label so you can identify the item quickly in lists. Shorter names avoid truncation. Make sure to avoid special characters that some accessories may reject. After typing, tap Done or Save to commit the change. If the accessory disconnects, reconnect it. Some devices need a fresh Bluetooth handshake to display the updated name in other devices and apps. Finish by confirming the new name shows in your Bluetooth list and on any other paired devices. This verifies the change propagated. If you don't see it, toggle Bluetooth off and on and make sure the accessory is awake. This forces a refresh. If that fails, forget the device in settings and repair it. Sometimes the accessory caches its name and needs a fresh pairing to accept the update. If problems persist, restart the iPhone or reset the accessory's Bluetooth per its manual.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.